Good morning, everyone. Coach Julian here again. And today's lesson is going to be the bent over row. Now, the bent over row focuses on your latissimus dorsi, your rhomboids, and your biceps brachii. Now, as usual, I'm going to go over the steps and then I'll demonstrate it and do several reps for you. Now, the first thing you're going to do is hold the barbell with the pronated grip and palms facing down, and your feet are going to be shoulder width apart. Now you're going to bend your knees and bring your torso forward just a little bit, and as you bend over, you're going to bring the bar up, and your back will be just slightly angled. Now, what you're going to do that's going to be your starting position. Now, pushing your hips back will help keep your back at the same position throughout the exercise. Now, you're going to lift the barbell up towards your sternum. This is your concentric motion, so you're going to be exhaling. It's about a 1 to 2 second duration. You're keeping your elbows tucked in and close to the body, bringing your elbows and shoulders until it touches the middle of your torso. And again, you're going to pull your elbows behind you rather than pulling the bar, and that's going to help activate your lats and keeping everything tight. Now, you're going to lower the bar at that time using the same path of motion used for the upward lift, and again, maximizing your full range of motion. Now, as you lower it, that's going to be your eccentric motion, and that's going to, while you're exhaling, which is going to be about a 2 to 4 second duration. Now, you want to pause right at the top and hold, squeezing your back muscles. Now, by doing that, you're going to really activate and really get a lot more of your back development, and which helps with your posture. Now, again, you're just going to follow those same motions repeatedly till you beat your desired repetition, and then pause or rest in between sets and proceed. Let us demonstrate now. So again, face the bar, feet shoulder width apart. You're going to have a double overhand grip. You're going to lower the bar. Again, your grip should be shoulder width apart as well. You're going to grab it and you're going to lift. You want to make sure you keep your knees bent, and then at this point, again, you're going to pull up, keeping everything tight, following the same path up and down until you hit your torso, keeping your head up, lowering it down, breathing on the way up, exhaling on the way down. And you're just going to keep doing this until you meet your desired repetition. Now, once you're done, again, you're going to lower using your knees to avoid injury, to make sure you don't hurt your back. And that, my friends, is how you perform a bent over row. So thank you for your time. Have a great day. Take care now.